It's all about stillness, peace. It's all about you connecting to who you truly are. And you can't connect to who you truly are doing all that thing moving. All that moving, all that stagnant energy. Sometimes it's best to just come outside in nature. Just sit on the porch, you know what I'm saying? Get you a little chair, get your favorite chair, you know what I'm saying? Vibe out. You gotta be around nobody. It's best it's best to just be you and God, honestly. And you just vibe out. You just, you know what I'm saying, enjoy yourself. You enjoy what nature brings to you. Whether that's the birds singing, chirping, waltzes flying around, bees flying around, butterflies flying around. You you communicating, you resonating, you connecting with the animals, the insects. You really just start to get in tune with nature, and it be so peaceful. It feels like it's no wrong. It's no wrong when you doing that. it's 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 okay to have fun. It's okay to smile. It's okay to be joyful. They made it in this world. They made it in this world to basically go against our own nature. Our own nature is flowy. It's fun. It's joyful. We create beautiful things joyfully. you know, a lot of people say you gotta work hard. You gotta work hard to experience or to receive different things, and that's just in perception. That's just an opinion. That's somebody's perception. In my perception, and a lot of other perceptions, you don't have to work hard to receive your abundance, to receive your divine inheritance. You simply just have to be you, be your true self. People be like, you gotta work hard. That's just because you're not being your true self. Cause when you being your true self, everything flow to you. It's a natural flow. You don't feel like you working hard. It may look like you working hard, but it don't feel like it. It feel like you having fun, you know, but you still working. You still creating. You still doing what you came here to do, fulfilling your purpose. It's joyful expansion, you know. And hey, it's on you. It's about your choice. You know what I'm saying? I feel like you working hard. That's more of the 3D. That's more of the matrix way of living, of being. Because you working maybe a 9 to 5. You know what I'm saying? Or for someone, you know what I'm saying, that really don't value you. And how can they value you? Because you don't value yourself. You know what I'm saying? So maybe maybe you working a 9 to 5. Maybe you working even for yourself, but you just putting so much work on you because you feel like you have to work hard to be successful. When that's completely an opinion. Like, if you believe that for yourself, then that's your reality. But if you perceive that everything really is working for us, everything is naturally working for our greatest good, you know, and you align with it, then that's your perception. You know, you align with, I ain't gotta work hard. I can just be me. And being you, is pure unconditional love and pure bliss, pure, you know what I'm saying, natural, pure energies, you know. So just by you being you, you are acceptable, you are able to flow with the natural flow of the universe. Some things to you come natural. It comes easier. It comes easier to you than anybody else that's not in a natural flow, that's not aligned with the natural flow of the universe. And that's why, that's the difference. That's the difference. They're not in the natural flow of the universe because they're not their true authentic self. They're not 100% pure, you know what I'm saying? Natural, you know what I'm saying? Unconditional, loving, having healed, you know what I'm saying? Within themselves. So, of course, it's going to be hard to them. Of course, it's going to be hard work. Of course, it's going to be this and that because they're not aligned with all the help that we are granted. They are not aligned with all the energies that's naturally letting these things flow for our greatest good. We see it way more. We see it with way more clarity when we in this natural flow. When we being our natural self, you know, you you get into the natural flow by being your natural self. That means consuming on all levels natural consumptions, natural energies. You know, whether that's food, music, you know, TV, all energies. You know, so this the difference. This what makes 1% or half of the percent feel like they have to work hard, and they do it. You know, you see they go out there and do it. You know, and it brings way more stress, way more. You know what I'm saying? All that extra energy, extra baggage onto them, and you see the other percent. And you know what I'm saying? Us who just align with the natural, the natural way of being, the natural way of being, just align with the laws of the universe. You know, how do God love you? How do God treat you? You know what I'm saying? So it's just aligning with your true self. You know what I'm saying? God don't mistreat you, don't disrespect you. You know what I'm saying? And always got your back regardless, regardless. No, always unconditional loving to you, always caring for you, always there for you regardless of what you do. So I know you you don't want to do that. You know what I'm saying? Not just yet, but that's the mindset. That's the energy that you have to embody for all and everyone. You know what I'm saying? You have to be like that with all and everyone. You have to love them. You know what I'm saying? You have to love them unconditionally. You have to be there for them no matter what. No matter what they do. I ain't saying be in their face all the time. You know what I'm saying? Stay around them even though they continue to hurt you. I'm saying don't hold a grudge. Don't have a grudge against them. You know, always forgive them. Always have unconditional love towards one another because it's never that person. It's always for the greatest good. It's always for, I like to say, divine intervention. It's for that person and you to learn something. You know, so see everything in a unconditional loving way, in a beautiful way, because that's what it truly is, you guys. You aligning with the natural way of being, you know what I'm saying, with the universal laws, you see that more and more. You see that more and more. So, you know what I'm saying, just any way you inhabit, you bring those energies into your reality, you do that. I like to sit down on the porch, you know what I'm saying, and just enjoy nature. I like to go into nature, period. Wherever, you know what I'm saying? I go to the mountains. I love the mountains. You know, I'll probably go to the mountains one day this week. But I just like to do natural things, you know what I'm saying? And consume natural energies. And a lot of energies is not natural, so I always, well, I ain't gonna say always, but most of the times I'm to myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm consuming the most natural energy there is. And that's God. That's God. That's the only energy that loves you 100% un- unconditionally. You know what I'm saying? That's the only energy that I can actually say that, hey, got your back regardless. You know what I'm saying? That ain't gonna never give up on you. That's always gonna be there for you. You know what I'm saying? Every time you hit them up, every time you hit them up, always gonna be there for you. You know what I'm saying? Like me, I'll be there when I can. You know what I'm saying? But God gonna be there all the time. You know, so or whether should I say within? You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, fam, I love you guys. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, y'all share. I'm out.